Do you want to visual your data right in your cell? Try Excel Sparkline, and here's how you do it. Start off by expanding the cell you want to allocate the Sparkline. After that, select the cell you want to allocate the Sparkline. Go to Insert under Sparklines, select Columns. Click on this button on the pop-up and select the data range that you want to plot your Sparkline with. Press the button again, and OK. At this point, you'll see this kind of bar chart. Go to Axis. Select Same for all Sparklines under the vertical axis, minimum value options. Go back to your axis again and select the same for all Sparklines under the vertical axis, maximum value options. And at this point, you can see anything that's on a negative side will be plotted below this line, and on the positive side, it'll be above. Now, if you want to color any of these negative bar charts into a different color, select negative points. And then any negative numbers will be presented in red color, and the positive will be in blue. But if you don't like the style of this Sparkline, go to Styles, and you can select any of this array of styles that you have on your Sparkline, and they will give you different results. I will go with green and red. Then you can justify your cell like so. That's it.